All righty, fair enough. I want to find out who these people are and how old they are. May I have your name and age?
Donna Bosworth, 16.
Thank you.
Linda Davis, 16.
Thank you.
Denise LaRue, 17.
Thank you.
Carol House, 15.
Thank you. Let me jump over to this side now. Your name, sir?
Frank Laverty, 16.
Frank, do me a favor. Take a step back, will you?
Jeff, 17.
Thank you.
Greg Smith, 17.
Thank you.
Randy Sessio, 17.
Thank you. What are you going to do here? Improvisations on the Slauson or some other things? Talk to Frank? Who is this, your bit?
Well, for a long time we've had a lot of steps that we can do.
Yeah, and you're going to show me some now.
Yeah.
Everybody has the idea I don't know how to dance, you know, and they're right. Now, watch carefully. Here you go.
Start off with that real fucking rocker kind of thing.
Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon in Berlin, Dr. Dixon in Dublin, Dr. Dixon, Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon in Dublin, Dr. Dixon in Berlin, baby. Let me tell me about the cancer freaking me out. Let me tell me about the STD freaking her out. Let me tell you about the captured murderer. Let me tell you about the person that he killed her now. Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon driving his car into the sea with his beautiful family in the hotel lobby. Checking out, checking in, checking out. Who's he bringing back in? Hey, ow, ow. Chucked his son into the zoo, threw him into the lions, threw his little brother off a cliff and blamed it on some hooligans. Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon in Berlin, Dr. Dixon in Bray, Dr. Dixon, Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon. Oh baby, yeah! Oh baby, yeah! Oh baby, yeah! Dr. Dixon in LA, Dr. Dixon killing a brain. Shake it up, done. Hanging out, he's hanging out in LA with Lou Reed and the gay.
Oh no, because I don't take any.
No drugs at all?
Mm-mm.
And yet you sing about them.
I'm high on life.
You want people to take drugs themselves? Is this perhaps why you sing about drugs?
Oh yeah, I want them to take drugs.
I took dope.